Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to show you all the travel English conversations you need in just one video. Let's get started!
At the hotel check-in.
Good afternoon, welcome. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation. My name is David Smith.
Great. May I see your passport and credit card, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Yes, one king room for 2 nights, right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, we need a $50 deposit on your card.
No problem. Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is in the lobby from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Great. Where is the elevator?
It's on your left. Here are your key cards. You are in room 508 on the 5th floor.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good stay.
At the hotel breakfast. Good morning. Room number, please.
Good morning, room 502.
Great. Breakfast is included. Table for 2?
Yes, please.
Perfect. Right this way. Would you like coffee or tea to start?
Coffee with milk, please.
Got it. How would you like your eggs today?
2 fried eggs, sunny side up, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Some bacon and toast, please.
Coming right up.
Thank you so much.
Hotel wake-up call.
Good evening, front desk. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like a wake-up call for tomorrow morning, please.
Sure. May I have your name and room number?
My name is Mark, room 812.
Thank you. What time would you like the call?
At 6:30 a.m., please.
Got it. 6:30 a.m. for room 812. Do you want an automatic call or a real person to call you?
A real person, please. Also, can you book a taxi for me at 7:15 a.m.?
Of course. Wake-up call at 6:30 a.m. and a taxi at 7:15 a.m. tomorrow. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good night.
Air conditioner issue at hotel.
Good evening, front desk. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm in room 506. The air conditioner is not working.
I'm sorry about that. What is the problem?
It blows warm air and the room is very hot. I set it lower, but it doesn't work.
Got it. Is it making any loud noise?
No, it's just not blowing cold air.
Okay, I will send a technician to your room right away. He will arrive in about 10 minutes.
Thank you. What if he cannot fix it?
If he cannot fix it, we will move you to a new room on the same floor.
That sounds great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Thank you for your patience.
Room change due to noise.
Good evening, front desk. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm in room 203. Can I change to a quieter room?
I'm sorry about that. What is making the noise?
The street traffic is very loud and the AC is noisy. I can't sleep well.
I understand. Let me check our computer. Okay, we have a quiet room on the 7th floor. It faces the courtyard. Would you like that?
That sounds perfect. Thank you.
Great. I will send someone to help with your bags now.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good night.
Requesting extra towels. Good evening, front desk. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm in room 615. Can we get some extra towels, please?
Sure. How many towels do you need?
2 bath towels and 2 hand towels, please.
Okay. Do you also need extra body wash or shampoo?
Yes, please. 1 bottle of body wash would be great.
No problem. I will send 2 bath towels, 2 hand towels, and body wash to room 615 right away.
Great. How long will it take?
About 5 to 10 minutes.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good night. At the hotel checkout.
Good morning. I'd like to check out, please.
Good morning. What was your room number?
Room 718. Here are my key cards.
Thank you. How was your stay?
It was great. The room was very nice and quiet.
Happy to hear that. Did you use any items from the minibar?
No, I didn't.
Perfect. Everything is clear. I will return your deposit to your credit card.
Great, thank you.
Would you like a printed receipt or can I email it?
Email is fine, thanks. Also, can I leave my bags here for a few hours?
Of course. You can leave your bags in our storage room for free.
That's awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Restaurant reservation.
Good evening. Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
Hi, yes, I booked a table for 2 at 7 p.m.
Great. What is your name, please?
It's under Liam.
Yes, I found it. Follow me, please.
Excuse me, can we sit by the window?
Let me check. Yes, we have a window table available. Here you go. Please have a seat.
Perfect, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Here are your menus. Your server will be right with you.
Thanks a lot.
Ordering food and drinks.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. What do you recommend?
Our grilled salmon is very popular, and the steak is also fantastic.
Sounds great. I'll have the salmon, please. Also, I'm allergic to peanuts.
No problem. I'll tell the kitchen. Anything to drink?
Just a sparkling water with lemon, please.
Sure. Would you like to try our tiramisu for dessert? It's peanut-free.
Perfect. I'll have a slice after my main course.
You got it. I'll bring your drink right away.
Thank you.
Payment and split the bill.
Excuse me, can we get the check, please? Also, can I get a to-go box?
Of course. I'll bring a box for you. Are you paying together or splitting the bill?
Can we split it evenly, please?
No problem. Cash or card?
We'll both pay by card.
Perfect. I'll be right back with the machine. Here is your box. You can tap your card right here.
Great, all done. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Directions to the museum.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the museum. Is it near here?
Yes, it's not far. It's about a 10-minute walk.
Great. How do I get there?
Go straight for 2 blocks. At the traffic light, turn left onto Main Street.
Go straight 2 blocks, then turn left at the light?
Exactly. The museum is on your right, next to the park. You can't miss it.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit.
At the bus stop.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the museum?
Yes, it does.
Bus 39 stops right in front of the museum.
Great. How often does it come?
Every 15 minutes. The next one is coming in 5 minutes.
Perfect. Do I need cash or can I tap my card?
You can tap your card on the bus. It's very easy.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good day.
At the subway station.
Excuse me, can I buy a day pass here?
Yes, at this ticket machine. Select Day Pass on the screen and pay by card.
Got it, thanks. Does this line go to Union Station?
Yes, take line 1 southbound.
How many stops is it?
Just 4 stops. It takes about 10 minutes.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
No problem. Have a good trip.
Hotel reserved taxi.
Hello, are you Ms. Jones for the airport?
Yes, that's me. Could you open the trunk for my bags?
Sure, let me help you with those. All set.
Thank you. We're going to Terminal 1, right?
Yes, is it a flat rate or the meter?
The front desk set a flat rate of $50. Is that right?
Yes, exactly. $50 total.
Great. How long will it take?
Traffic is light today, so about 25 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you.
At the car rental counter.
Hi, good morning. I have a reservation under Mike.
Good morning. Let me check. Ah, yes. An SUV for 5 days. May I see your driver's license, passport, and credit card?
Here you go.
Thank you. Would you like to add full insurance, or will you use your own?
Yes, full insurance, please.
Got it. The car has a full tank of gas, so please return it full.
Understood. Where is the car?
It's in spot 12 in the garage outside. Here is your key.
Great, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Drive safe.
At the ticket office.
Hi, good morning. 2 adults and 1 child, please.
Good morning. That's $65 in total.
Great. Does the ticket include an audio guide?
No, but you can add one for $5. We have multiple languages.
Perfect. 2 audio guides in Spanish, please.
Sure, that will be $75 total. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Great. Here are your tickets and audio guides. The entrance is right around the corner.
Thank you very much.
Taking a photo.
Excuse me, could you take a photo of us, please?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you. Here's my phone.
Great. Horizontal or vertical?
Vertical, please. Can you get the statue in the background?
Sure. Step a little to the left. Perfect. Ready? Say cheese. Let me take one more, just in case. Here you go. Take a look.
Wow, it looks amazing. Do you want me to take one for you too?
Thanks, but I'm good. My friend is over there.
All right. Thanks again and have a great day.
You too. Enjoy your trip.
Buying souvenirs.
Excuse me, I'm looking for some local souvenirs. Any recommendations?
Welcome! These magnets and wooden crafts are very popular.
Oh, these magnets look lovely. Will they break in my bag?
Don't worry, We will wrap them in bubble wrap for you.
That's great. How much are they?
They are $10 each.
If I buy 5, can you give me a discount?
Sure. If you buy 5, they are $8 each, so $40 in total.
Deal. I'll take 5 magnets, please.
Perfect. Let me wrap them up for you.
Thank you so much.
Buying local wine.
Hi, I'd like to buy a bottle of local wine.
Welcome. Are you looking for red, white, or sweet wine?
Red wine, please. I like something fruity and smooth, not too dry.
I recommend our local Merlot. It's very smooth with rich cherry flavors.
Sounds great. How much is a bottle?
It's $35. Would you like to try a sample first?
Yes, please. This is delicious. I'll take 1 bottle.
Great. Will you put it in your checked luggage?
Yes. Can you pack it safely for a flight?
Absolutely. We will put it in a protective bubble bag for you.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your wine.
At the pharmacy.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm not feeling well.
Good afternoon. What's wrong?
I have a headache.
I see. Do you have a fever or a cough?
No fever, just a light cough. Do you have any over-the-counter medicine?
Okay, I recommend these pain pills.
How often should I take the pills?
Take 1 pill every 6 hours after meals.
Got it. Will it make me drowsy?
No, this is non-drowsy.
Perfect. I'll take them. Thank you.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.
Reporting a lost passport.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to report a lost passport.
I see. When and where did you last have it?
I'm not sure. I noticed it was missing this morning.
Do you have a photo ID or a copy of your passport?
Yes, I have a photo of my passport on my phone.
Good, that helps. I will write a report for you. Here is your police report and case number.
Thank you so much. I will take this to my embassy.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I lost my passport. I need to apply for an emergency passport.
I see. Do you have a police report?
Yes, here is the police report.
Great. Do you have any other photo ID?
Yes, I have my driver's license and a photo of my lost passport.
Perfect. Please fill out this form and pay the fee.
Sure.
Your emergency passport will be ready tomorrow afternoon.
That's a relief. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Stay safe.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye!